Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Tashkil Hussain Khokhar is here, your physics teacher. Class first year Federal Board subject physics. This is a lecture number. Topic is addition of vectors. Graphical or geometrical method addition. Addition of vectors. Vector can be added by two different approaches, namely graphical or geometrical method and analytical method also. Graphical or geometrical method for addition of vectors. In this method, vectors are added by sketching scaled diagrams. For the graphical approach of addition of vectors, we use head to tail rule. Following steps must be followed to add vectors by head to tail rule. Number 1, select a suitable scale for the representation of given vector. Number 2, sketch all the vectors according to the selected scale in its given direction. Number 3, now join the tail of next vector to head of recently sketched vector and draw its representative line according to the selected scale in given direction. Number 4, to find resultant, join the tail of first vector to head of the last vector and put a arrow on this line pointing away from the origin. Label this vectors as R vector, means resultant vector. Resultant vector is a single vector which has effect equal to the combined effect of given vectors. Number 5, to determine the magnitude of R, measure the length of R and convert it according to the selected scale. Number 6, to determine the direction of R, measure the angle of R with respect to positive x direction in anti-clockwise sense. For example, if two vectors forces F1 and F2 as shown in figure 2.6 are acting on block, find the magnitude as well as direction of their resultant. Solution: follow the above mentioned step. Number 1, scale lead 1 cm represents 5 Newton. Number 2, measure the length of vector R from the figure 2.7, which is about 4.8 cm. Number 3, thus according to the proposed scale, magnitude of the resultant is 24 Newton. Number 4, in order to find the direction with the help of protractor, measure the angle of R with x-axis from the scale diagram, which is about 19.9 degree, which is equivalent to 20 degree. Commutative property of vectors addition. Consider two vectors A and B. Let when two vectors represent two adjacent sides of parallelogram, we can construct a parallelogram. Vector addition is commutative, just the addition of real numbers. Commutative properties are A plus B is equal to B plus A. The head to tail rule yield vector R for both A plus B and B plus A in order in which the given vectors are added has no significance. let A, B, C are three given vectors. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to R, or A plus C plus B is equal to R, C plus B plus A also is equal to R, or B plus A plus C is equal to R. In addition process, the vectors A, B, C which result R after addition are called components of R. Such component of vector which makes an angle of 90 degree with each other are called rectangular components. Subtraction of vectors. There is no direct method for determining the result of subtraction of two vectors. Even for subtraction we use method of addition. If vector B is supposed to be subtracted from A, then first we find the negative of B, which is minus B, and then we add this negative of B, and A is shown in figure. It means that the vector A should be less to original size. Multiplication of vector by a number. When vector multiply with number, the vector doesn't change the direction, but it should be increase in magnitude. For suppose 6a means the magnitude of A should be multiplied with 6. So we can say that a number, then n multiply A is equal to Na. Following are different possibilities when a vector multiply by a number, positive number, then only its magnitude change, but if it multiply by negative number, its magnitude as well as direction change. Direction change in only opposite direction. Resolution of vectors. The process of splitting a vector into its component is called resolution of vector. It is the reverse process of addition of vector. In resolution of vector, a single vector along with its direction is converted into two or more components. Dear students, hopes you got very well. Now this is the assignment. Make the notes of these topics from exercise and solve the problems which are given in exercise, and send me of these captures, and then I will remarks, and then you make the notebook. Okay, and Allah Hafiz.